In this video, we will cover white ink circulation. When you have a garment that has an issue where the white ink seems to be dull and it has nothing to do with the pretreatment amount, then you may need to perform a white ink circulation. In order to perform this process, manually from standby mode, scroll down using the down arrow button until maintenance is highlighted and then press OK. White ink circulation should be highlighted at the top of the list already. Press OK to select the option and then press OK one more time to confirm you want to start this process. A timer and status bar will appear on the panel giving you the amount of time the circulation process will take. The process in this video has been sped up for demonstration purposes only. The time this takes may vary depending on when the last circulation was, as well if the printer had been powered off and how long it has remained powered off. In the event the circulation has been performed recently as part of the automated maintenance the printer performs, this will take around 6 minutes to complete. However, it could take up to 15 minutes. If the printer has been powered off for a long duration for any reason, circulation of the white ink may take up to 40 minutes to complete. When the process completes, the printer will make a pong sound and return to standby. It is highly recommended, however, that after this process completes, that you perform a white ink refilling, also located in the maintenance menu. You should agitate the white ink cartridges, however, before performing that step in the process if whiteness has suddenly become dull in prints that were not previously dull. If you need additional support, please fill out our web form at brotherdtg.com/help for further assistance.